When it comes to upgrading or building your home, selecting the right window style is a key decision. Windows are not just functional. They shape the look and feel of your home, improve energy efficiency, and impact your home's overall comfort. In Orangeburg, where both the aesthetic appeal and climate must be considered, choosing the right window style is particularly important. Whether you're replacing old windows or building a new home, the right choice can elevate your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. With so many options available, it can be overwhelming to decide which style works best for your needs. Let's explore some key considerations to help you choose the best window style for your Orangeburg home. Consider your home's architectural style. The first step in choosing the right window style is to think about your home's architectural design. Different styles of windows work best with certain architectural types. Windows not only have to fit the function of a room but also complement the look of the house. Traditional or colonial homes. For a classic colonial style, double-hung windows are a great choice. This window type has two movable sashes that slide up and down. They offer a traditional look with a vertical profile that complements symmetrical home designs. These windows can also be enhanced with grills for a classic look. Modern or contemporary homes. For a more modern look, you might consider casement windows. These windows are hinged on the side and open outward like a door, providing a sleek, minimalistic design with clean lines that suit modern homes. Picture windows are also an excellent choice, as they offer expansive views and natural light while maintaining a streamlined, unobstructed look. Craftsman or bungalow homes. If you live in a craftsman-style home, you might want to go for casement windows or awning windows. These windows work well with the horizontal lines and low-slung look that is common in craftsman-style homes, offering both functionality and design appeal. Victorian homes. Bay windows and bow windows are great choices for Victorian homes. These types of windows extend outward from the wall, providing panoramic views and adding architectural interest. Their depth creates a beautiful focal point on the exterior while increasing interior space. Think about energy efficiency. In Orangeburg, the climate plays a significant role in choosing windows. Extreme heat in summer and cool winters mean energy-efficient windows are essential for maintaining comfort and lowering utility bills. Selecting a window style that offers insulation and climate control is crucial. Double or triple pane windows. For superior energy efficiency, double or triple pane windows are a must. These windows feature 2 or 3 layers of glass with insulating air or gas between them. The added insulation helps to reduce heat loss in winter and keeps cool air inside during the summer months. Low E glass. Look for windows with low E, low emissivity, glass, which has a special coating that reflects heat while letting in natural light. This will help your home stay comfortable throughout the year while reducing your energy bills. Casement windows. Casement windows are energy efficient because they seal tightly when closed. This makes them an excellent option for homeowners who want to keep outdoor temperatures at bay and reduce air leakage. Consider functionality and ventilation. Each room in your home may have different ventilation needs, and your window style should reflect this. Some windows are better at allowing airflow and improving ventilation, while others prioritize light and views. For living rooms and dining rooms, large, fixed-picture windows are ideal in rooms where you want expansive views but don't need regular ventilation. These windows can also make your space feel larger and more open, letting in more light. For bedrooms and kitchens, double-hung windows and casement windows are ideal for areas where ventilation is key. Both allow for easy airflow. Casement windows can be opened fully, letting in a breeze even on rainy days since they open outward from the top. For bathrooms. In bathrooms, where both privacy and ventilation are important, awning windows work well. These windows open from the top, allowing airflow while preventing anyone from looking inside, even on a busy street. They are especially helpful in areas with high humidity, such as bathrooms and kitchens. Enhance security with the right window style. Security is another important consideration when selecting windows. Some window styles are naturally more secure than others. Double-hung windows. Double-hung windows have multi-point locks for added security. These locks secure the top and bottom sashes, making them more difficult to open from the outside. Casement windows. Casement windows are hinged on the side and tend to be more secure than sliding windows, as they close tightly against the frame. The locking mechanism is usually located in a place that's harder for intruders to access. Impact-resistant windows. If you live in a hurricane-prone area or want the best protection for your home, impact-resistant windows are a great option. They are designed to resist breaking, keeping your home secure during storms or attempted break-ins. Choose the right material. The material of your windows affects both their appearance and performance. Common materials include vinyl, wood, fiberglass, and composite. Each material has its own set of benefits. Vinyl windows. Low maintenance, durable, and energy efficient, vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Orangeburg. They are resistant to moisture, rotting, and warping, making them ideal for both the climate and budget-conscious homeowners. Wood windows. For a more traditional look, wood windows are a timeless option that adds warmth and character. However, they require more maintenance than vinyl or fiberglass and may be more expensive upfront. Fiberglass windows. Offering a combination of strength and insulation, fiberglass windows are highly durable and energy efficient, making them a solid investment for any homeowner. Conclusion. Finding the perfect window style for your Orangeburg home. Choosing the best window style for your Orangeburg home depends on your architectural style, functional needs, and energy efficiency preferences. Whether you opt for the classic charm of double-hung windows, the sleek design of casement windows, or the expansive views provided by picture windows, the right choice can enhance your home's appearance, comfort, and security. By carefully considering these factors, you can make an informed decision that adds value to your home and meets your needs for years to come.